Where is...
You are at the hospital. Administration is right. Administration is right here.
I'm going
Get
to
in
the
there.
emergency room, sir.
Get in there.
Where...
But what? My car now. Now.
Where is my... Where is my... Where is my destination?
Get out of my car now. What? Now.
I don't know where I am. I'm at my asking you where is my destination? Finish.
I
where I
pulled
am
into your destination. It said here I was at your destination.
A few moments later.
Get out of my car now. Out of my car now. Car now.
Why are you yelling at me?
Because you won't fucking get out of my car. Administration.
But you're not to yell at me. You are not to yell at me.
Few inches later.
One.
Do it. It was. Do it. Your phone. Facing.
Get out of my.
Facing.
Get out of my car. I'm facing a moron. Get out. One.
You're facing.
No.
You have no right to scream at me.
I will fucking the hot any goddamn way I want.
Really?
Yes, yeah. And I have the right.
Where am I?
Where? Get out of my car. I'm gonna bring this car, please. Car.